my love, when you take care of him for almost 10 years and 3 months, then they just take away from me. I miss you, my love. I hope you're always okay. Mama miss you so much. It's hard to be far away to the kids, especially when you are close to each other. Oh, I miss this moment with my son. He was helping me when she was 4 years old, helping me for cleaning. He's a very sweet boy. Now, it's just away. The Swedish government away from me. That my little boy. I miss you.